What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are doing a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Oppo Reno 6. Before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.4-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. It has 90Hz screen refresh rate, 180Hz touch sampling rate, and it has a peak brightness of 750 nits. For performance, it has Dimensity 900 processor with Mali G86 MC4 GPU. It has multi-cooling system and Z-axis linear motor, which should be good for gaming. And all of this is powered by 4300 mAh battery, and it supports 65 watts SuperVOOC 2.0 charger. Now here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. This is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Battery is at 64%. The AC is running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 26 degrees. Now let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is 31 degrees, on the bottom it is 31 to 32 degrees. On the back, it is 30 to 31 degrees, and on the bottom it is 31 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. Now you can swipe from the edge to bring the game pop-up, and you can use in-game options. Now these are the graphic settings. HD graphics and high frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. The visuals are pretty good, details are also nice, and the controlling is also pretty smooth. And so far I couldn't notice any lag. It's been 17 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 37 degrees, on the bottom it is 36 degrees, on the back it is 36 degrees, and on the bottom it is 36 degrees. For a total of 18 minutes, battery came down to 60%, and the phone feels slightly warm. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 4% of battery, which is nice. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and check the temperature. By the way, AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is also at 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is fluctuating from 42 to 44 degrees, on the bottom it is 38 degrees, on the back it is 40 to 41 degrees, and on the bottom it is 37 to 38 degrees. Now the phone feels slightly warm. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. And there seems to be no issues. There is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Oppo Reno 6. This phone comes with an AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. It has Dimensity 900 processor and also has 65 watts SuperVOOC fast charging. So overall, you get a great gaming experience. So that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below. This is Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.